morning, dolls. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought today would be an awesome time to do a what I eat in a day video. I just went to the market yesterday, so I have lots of amazing ingredients to make some awesome recipes for you guys. So I'm starting out my day at 10:20 and I just heated up some water. I actually broke my electric kettle, which is so sad because that thing comes in handy so much. But obviously you can heat up water alternatively in the microwave. So this mug is so cute. I got it from Target during Valentine's Day. And because I'm not going to do coffee today because I don't have any coffee, I am going to be doing a black tea, and I love this tea so much. It's the Paris blend and it's by Harney and Sons. I love the packaging. I use these tins left over once the tea is gone for like makeup brush holders, and the tea itself is like ridiculously delicious. So I'm gonna do a super strong brew. So I have 2 tea bags and they come in these little satchels, hashtag not sponsored, but I've been rocking with this brand for a while and I just have a couple others from them in here. This is like my tea drawer at the moment. So I'm gonna let this steep for about 5 minutes and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna put into this once it's done. So now that my tea has been steeping while I've gotten ready for the day, I'm gonna go in with a little Almond Breeze almond milk and vanilla. This is really great because it's just gonna kind of cream everything out and sweeten the tea up a little bit. Granted, I can drink this black because I just love tea that much, but today I was definitely in the mood for something a little sweeter. Could use a little more. It's a weird color, but trust. Ooh! Man down. It's really good. So I'm gonna sip on this and clean up my house because it's a mess. I will show you, but it's a mess. So I'll be right back. It's time for a snack. Actually, this is like the first meal that I'm having today, and it's 1:30 right now. So I'm gonna do avocado toast. This has been in the freezer because I can't possibly eat all of this in the 2 days that it has a lifespan of. So I like using this wheat bread. It's a sourdough from Trader Joe's, and I'm just gonna toast this up really quick. I haven't had avocado toast in a very long time, so I've been craving it. I think I'm gonna do 2 little slices here. They're frozen, so they take a little bit longer in the toaster, which is not a problem. While the bread's toasting up, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my ingredients. Sorry for the street noise, the window's open. I'm just gonna use a tomato, and I love avocado with tomato. It makes it, sir, back, bacon it, bacon it. And then of course we have the avocado. So I'm gonna cut that in half. And I like to mush my avo in the little shell here. It makes it easier to spread on the toast when it's done. So make sure that you kind of mush it up. This is how I like to hook up my avocado toast. I'm gonna start by using some of this vegan mayo. So I like using this. It adds a little bit of creaminess to the avocado toast, and I don't really use that much. I don't feel like you need a lot. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. You could use mustard for this, but I feel like this is a really good combination. So a little bit goes a long way. Then I'm gonna use half of an avocado for each little piece that I have here. That's gonna make it more filling and delicious. Some people just like to slice their avo, but for me, I just like it mashed up like this. So, works for me. You guys are gonna see this is gonna be like a 2-minute meal or mini snack. I like to eat mini meals throughout the day. You guys will see throughout this video what I mean by that. So we got the avocado on there. Now I'm gonna lay my tomatoes on top and they're gonna stick on perfectly. A little bit of pink Himalayan salt. I feel like it brings out the juices in the tomatoes. And the secret weapon of the day is this right here. This is from Trader Joe's, of course. I get everything there. They have the best spice selection and like blends. So I found that this goes really well with avocado toast, you guys. It's the everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Basically it has everything in there but the bagel. So I'll read you guys the ingredients. It's sesame seeds, sea salt, dried garlic, dried onion, black sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. So it adds a little bit of a crunch and of course some savory flavor to this. I'm not shy at all. And it sticks on really well to the avocado. So this is definitely something I would recommend you guys pick up if you've never tried this before. It's like $1.99. It's super inexpensive. So I'm gonna have this with a fresh juice, you guys. I just really am in a mood for fresh foods, things that aren't really cooked too much. So I have a carrot-based juice. Literally, I eat so many carrots. I think I need to find like a bulk size bag of them because I juice so much. Like, they really have a really good flavor, and I keep raving about carrot juice, but I feel like it's so underrated. It might be my #1 favorite. So this has 3 simple ingredients: oranges, ginger, lots of ginger. I put a little bit too much in this, and of course carrots as the main base. Does this not look amazing, you guys? I'm so excited to eat. I love my savory foods. I like anything with a good bit of flavor in it, because plain food is so boring. You gotta hook it up. You gotta make it your own and switch things up every single time so you don't feel like you're eating, you know, the same things every single day. On to my next meal of the day. It is 4:55. I've been working, haven't really thought about food since my avocado toast, but I'm definitely craving something sweet and icy, so I'm gonna go ahead and make myself an acai bowl. So in my NutriBullet blender, I just have a bunch of frozen bananas. This is key to making the acai smoothie bowl very thick and creamy. There's nothing worse, in my opinion, than having it be very like watered down and liquefied. So frozen bananas are definitely key to this recipe. And then I have Trader Joe's brand organic acai, which is amazing that they have been carrying this. And with those 2 ingredients, I'm gonna go ahead and add some non-dairy almond beverage in vanilla unsweetened. Because there's so many bananas, it's gonna be super sweet anyways because they are already ripe. And that's gonna be everything in the bullet. As for the toppings, you can do whatever it is that you want. If I had fresh banana, I definitely would top that off, but I don't have any banana right now. So I'm just going to top mine with some chia seeds. I have some granola here. I forget what brand this is because I had put it in this jar to keep it super fresh. I also have these, which are so tasty for oatmeals and acai bowls. As you can see, I shop at Trader Joe's, so most of my stuff does come from there, but if you guys are there, definitely recommend picking this up. It's a super seed and ancient green blend. It has so many superfoods included, as you can see here on the orange label. There's quinoa, chia seeds, of course, flax seeds, and there's buckwheat, so many more awesome ingredients. It just adds a nice crunch to our smoothie bowl. And then of course goji berries are an essential, so I love these goji berries. They're so tasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix everything together, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're all done. And the key is to not add too much liquid, again, if you want a very thick consistency, because it's gonna get really thick when you blend these ingredients together. So don't add too much liquid. And this is the consistency that I enjoy, super thick and creamy. So I'm gonna put this in my bowl and then begin assembling all of the yummy toppings. Doesn't this look amazing, you guys? Superfoods galore. It is packed with antioxidants from not only the cacao nibs, but also the acai, which is why it's such an amazing superfood to have. And Trader Joe's carries it at a really great price in comparison to Whole Foods, I find. So you can really make this your own, top it off with more fruit on top, like fresh berries or bananas, like I mentioned earlier. Switch it up with different superfood toppings, but I find that these are just the ones that I always tend to have on hand. And bruh, seriously guys, I could eat this every single day, especially in summertime when it's really warm out, or after a workout, when you just want something very chill but fresh. It is so late. Like, I'm really embarrassed to tell you that it is 12:02 in the morning, and this is my last meal of the day. I just finished up my work with edits, so I was definitely craving potato something. So I kind of did like my spin off of like a loaded baked potato, but this time I peeled it and then I just kind of mushed it up a little bit, like in really big pieces. I topped it off with some black beans, some fresh cilantro, a half of an avocado, black pepper, Himalayan salt, coriander, and cumin for taste, and a little bit of vegan butter. So this is what I'm just gonna have as a late night snack. I'm not going to bed anytime soon, so I don't feel guilty eating this. I'm actually gonna go ahead and binge on some TV, and also I have some tea over here which is steeping away. This one is the Trader Joe's Organic Mint. So I just have one tea bag tonight, and then I'm also going to throw in a spoonful of my beauty dust. I've been incorporating this throughout all of last month into my smoothies and my teas and stuff. So this is just like a natural blend of herbs. There's no caffeine or anything in that. This is a caffeine-free tea as well. And then also earlier today, I did have 2 of my probiotic gummies. I'll leave these linked down below. They're really easy to take throughout the day, and you don't have to take them with food or water. So I just thought I would give this a mention because it is a part of my daily, I guess, routine, if you want to call it that. So that kind of just chills back there. But that's what I'm having. This is a real life video. It's 12:04, and yes, I'm having dinner. I mean, what can I say? I work all freaking day and all into the night, so I just have like really weird hours when I'm eating. And also too, like, I'm just so focused on other things that food is like the last thing on my mind during the day. So this should be very comforting and filling, and it has my plant-based protein. It has lots of carbs from the potato and a good bit of spice and flavor from all of the spices that I went ahead and added into it. So good night, guys.